Alright guys, I have another challenge lock for you. This is by K1Locks. And it's a Kawneer mortise cylinder. I've heard of Kawneer, I've never actually seen one. And it's on this beautiful Russwin key. Just look at that. This is beautiful. There's what we're looking at. It works. What's interesting is the keyway is kind of like a reverse quick set, if you can see that. I think that's interesting. Actually, really quickly, I'm going to plug in my camera before it dies. Sorry guys, should have done it before. Just 1 second. Alright, now, I have opened this lock before, I think. If I have, it's been at least a few weeks ago. So I'm gonna try and wedge this 30 thousandths pry bar from the Longhorn set. That should work. We're gonna go clockwise. It's a little awkward with my hand, but yeah, we'll do that. Maybe not, because then my thumb's in the way. Okay, we'll do it the other way. No. Alright. Top of the keyway it is. With quickset-esque keyways, I like to free up the top of the keyway, but that's okay. Alright. 50 thousandths pry bar. Find an angle where you can see the lock. Man, am I zoomed out? Okay. Ooh, some clicking off of 2. Click off of 4. Overset that. Drop into a nice false set. Counter on 1. A little bit deeper false set. Whoa. Very deep false set now. What are we hung up on? There we go. Sorry for the clatter. I think I touched number 5 and it opened up. You see it's open. Fantastic. That was a fun little lock. Okay. Lock it up because we have a key and we know it works. I don't know if that's fast or not, but it was enjoyable at least. Yeah, this is a beautiful lock. This was a lot of fun. Alright, we have our key. I'm not going to shim. This looks like it's completely solid. I'm going to chance it. There we go. Nice and easy. I always like when the cores are solid and they have a shape that matches one of the followers, because then you do not need a shim. You can always use one to play it safe, but you can already see a pin in number 4. Looks like the core's been ground down a little bit. Alright, let's see what we have. I don't need that shim. Number 1, normal. 2 is normal. I believe 3 is also normal. 4 is that pin in pin we saw. 5 is normal. I'm seeing undercutting in 1, 2, and 5. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. This follower is actually too small. Huh. It's interesting. Oh well. Look at that later. Come on out. Four is really small. And then 5. 5's a beauty. Okay, none of the springs are coming out. They all look like they're the same though, and I don't see any modifications. Oh. Huh. I'm gonna leave the rest of the springs up there. Okay, let's look at these beautiful pins. And I still haven't figured out the light, but that's okay. All the drivers are normal except for number 4, which is just a beauty. Let me show you this. That's what we had in number 4 for a driver. That is some beautiful work. I said driver, I meant keeping. Then for drivers, number 1 had, whoa, come on camera. Whoa, settle down. Wow, my camera is freaking out. It just had like some grooves filed in it, which is interesting. 2 is serrated. It's hollow. So I wonder if there was something that went along with this, because it's completely hollow. There wasn't anything in the lock, but 3 is a serrated T-pin, very nice. 4 is this itty serrated pin. Let's look at the key. Yeah, so 4 is that super low one, so it may not have had very much room that you could put anything on it to modify it so it would have any effect. And then last, 5 is another beautiful serrated T-pin. Alright guys, that is what I have. If any of you have opened this lock before, was there something that went along with driver number 2 when you opened it? It's hollow, so I want to say that there should be something with it. That it should be kind of like number 4, but there is nothing here. Well anyway guys, I hope you like what you saw. If so, please like and subscribe if you're not already. If you have any questions, leave them below. Oh, I almost forgot to say this. If you're not subscribed to K1Locks, you should go check him out. He has a pretty great channel. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. And I think that's all that I have. Thank you very much for watching.